Now one more thing is given in AutoCAD, that is under Insert, Design Center. In the Design Center, there is a lot of examples related to different areas. Suppose I am seeing the example of mechanical sample, some architectural, civil, mechanical, electronics, some other branches samples are also given in Design Center, but I am showing the example of mechanical. So click on the mechanical sample. These are multi drawings are available. Now I am checking first one. Now these are the properties of that particular drawing. These are blocks used in that particular drawing: dimension, style, layers, layout. So I'm checking the blocks. Now these are the blocks which are being used in that particular drawing. So what I can do with the help of the Design Center, I can use that particular block into our drawing just after double click or pick and drop. I just pick and I can change it according to the attribute, say 4. Okay. Now I can use this. Like this. Again, you can take some more example. Say this. These are the blocks which I have taken from the Design Center. So you can add to your drawing also. You can take all the information from any drawing with the help of this Design Center, and you can directly add some properties and use some properties, layer properties, line properties, block properties from this with the help of Design Center. It's a very beautiful tool that is given in the AutoCAD